Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to tan t, because if I put this one goal here, we have tan t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. So if we do first derivative for the both side, we have secant of t square dt. So I will put this one goal here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one we change by secant of t square. And this one we have tan t. So tan t, that is about sin t over cosine t. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine t, and then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we have t equal to arctan of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.